Hey guys, if you've been following this build on the Overland modular cargo solution build, today is part 3, and I hope by the end of today I'm fully assembled and inside the back of the Jeep. Everything has dried overnight, so we're ready to start putting it together. Alright, so here we go. Slide is mounted, connectors are in place. Now all we gotta do is carry this over to the Jeep, put it in place, screw it down, and then put the walls and top on. Alright, so we're mounted in the Jeep, platform's in, secured to all the mounting points that I put under it. So that thing's not really moving anywhere. Next step is to put the walls and top on, throw the fridge in there, and make sure the seats all go up and the door closes. Alright guys, so it's in the Jeep, and it is sturdy. I've got 2 front runner cub packs, and then I've got my 13-gallon Big Kahuna shower behind those. 50-quart ARB fridge on a slide. Got storage room on top of it still, and my air compressor is going to go right behind the shower. Seats go up perfectly, just fine. Door shuts just fine. So I'm pretty pleased with how this all turned out. I'm gonna keep messing with it right now. I've got to get everything wired up where I want to, so that'll be kind of the next step in this project. Alright, so what I'm working on now is this little 12-volt panel that I'm going to mount in the back. Also, it's going to have a little voltmeter, USB ports, and a 12-volt cigarette plug. I just found this little metal bracket that I had in my toolbox and kind of cut it and bent it to the angle I need it, and you guys will see where that actually goes here in a minute. Alright, so this is what I got here. Got my little bracket that's going to attach to the cabinet. This will give me 2 USBs and a 12-volt socket. I got it all wired up here. Just need to add it to the Jeep. I've already got wire run to the back there. Alright, so this is the next step of the project I've been working on, is getting this panel wired up, just so I can get some power back here. I've already got some 10 gauge running from front to the back, so that's good to go. Again, I'm pretty happy with how this thing's coming together. Clean up some wiring, get the fridge plugged in, and the last piece I'm waiting for that's coming in the mail is this panel right here. That will cover that up. I had the factory sub that stuck out right there on the side, so I took that out to give me a little bit more room. So I ordered the replacement subwoofer delete kit, is what they call it, I guess, online. So I'm gonna get this right here screwed in and clean up my wiring, and then see what else I gotta do. Alright guys, it's getting late, so I wanted to show you where I'm going to finish up tonight. We've got the fridge in with power. We've got this little 12 volt panel wired up. Let's see, I've got my Harbor Freight Special onboard air. That's wired up and on a switch. Like I said, I'm still waiting for this panel to come in the mail to clean that up. It's just a trim piece. Take you around this side. So I've got my Goal Zero that is going to sit on the floor. That's how I run my fridge. And then I've got the Goal Zero on a 12 volt charger, so it charges while we're driving. That's my dual battery system, if you want to call that. Alright, from the Goal Zero, I've got an extension cord that goes here, 2 USBs. That powers my fridge, so my fridge is always running off the Goal Zero and never off the Jeep. That's kind of currently how I want my setup, and until maybe we go to a true, real dual battery setup. Seats go back fine. That's about it, guys. Alright guys, so I think that's where the series is going to end. I'm really happy with where the system is right now. I'm getting ready to leave for a trip to Colorado to go pick up a Conqueror trailer. From there we're going to take it around into the Moab area and then down to Phoenix to meet up with someone else I've been following on Instagram to do a little camping, and then back over to home from there. So it's going to be about a 10-day trip. So I'm going to put this little cargo system to the test, just make sure it holds up well and see how those connectors hold up on the trail, see how it just handles the shakes. So for now, we'll end the series here till we update. Thanks again, guys.